Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I always try to live by the model that if you can't get it to make, then make it make. And today is moving day for our quail, and I am so excited because I cannot wait to get these little guys out of the brooder and into their coop, and that's what we're going to be showing you guys today, along with a little bit of a bunny routine that we do here at the house. These guys are 3 weeks old, and for the most part, they are fully feathered. And yeah, I mean, it's just time for them to go. Let's count them as we, that way we know exactly how much there are. The chicks are kind of hard to count, you know, they're moving around a lot, so I think I have 20. That's 2. Do you want me to help?
Yeah. Come on, little.
That's 3. 6, 7, okay.
There are little dinosaurs.
8. They're starting to jump out. Okay, go ahead. 9. Sorry, I was trying to jump out.
Come on, little.
15. 16.
It's like a lot of
They're
stuff.
trying really hard. Oh my gosh, what did I just say? 16?
Yeah.
Okay. 17. Here, can you hold this? I'll try to get the other ones. 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we definitely have. The way that he walks is so funny. Okay, so we have our 20 quail chicks here. This is, you know, probably a little stressful for them because they've never been anywhere other than their brooder. So, but yeah, let's go move these guys.
Oh, but they're like a weight. These guys are heavy.
Before I moved the quail in the coop, I needed to make some modifications. The first thing was how tall it was. Initially, my goal in the build was to make it about 12 inches, and it just didn't work out. Not sure how that happened, but that's just the way it is. So my solution to this was to get some foam, measure it to size, and staple it up to the top, because I mean, I was off by quite a bit. It ended up being about 18 inches. And I don't know, I mean, I spent way too much time raising these quail and putting my efforts into them, and I didn't want to go out there and see some broken necks because of a mistake that I made. But it worked out really well. I'm really pleased with the results on this one. Another thing I needed to fix was the venting. Initially, I had put 2 slits on each side of the box, and that wasn't working. I needed to give them some more air because you cannot underestimate the amount of heat these birds give off. I mean, they just radiate heat in their bodies. So I wanted to have a second solution in being able to get more air to them if I needed.
Okay, I'm going to gently tilt this so that way the quail can come out. We have to close this.
Because then they'll just go.
Just sort of letting them venture out on their own with the box because they were pretty worked up inside the box, but it was a short trip. Coming out one by one. This is all new for these guys, but they'll be all right. They're used to having their nice soft bedding, so it'll take them a little bit to get used to it.
Quail really like to dust bathe, so for this process, I just took a container I had laying around the house and some dirt and got some play sand, some basic play sand, and started mixing it up. There really is no ratio that I used for this, but I can tell you I definitely had more sand than dirt, and it worked out really well.
Oh, they're probably just so excited. Almost all of them are here right now.
They're like digging.
Mm-hmm.
It was really nice to be able to see the quail just enjoy their coop, especially after all the hard work we had put into making it and into raising them. But now it's time to break things down and get the brooder set up for the next batch of chicks, whenever that is. Kind of makes me sad because I really enjoy raising chicks, and I'm not sure when's the next time I'll get to do it again.
Okay, so we are going to be doing our bunny routine today. Normally what we do is in the mornings, after we've taken care of the chicks, we go ahead and take care of our bunnies. This is Daisy. She's a sweetheart. Oh, she'll come and say hi. She is a New Zealand, and she is just such a sweetheart. She's super affectionate, very, very sweet bunny. Like, I'm not kidding, she would just do this all day. This is Gil, and he is our new addition. He's also a New Zealand as well. He is super precious. I fell in love with his color. We will be breeding our bunnies, which is why we got another one. But that won't be until, you know, a little more later down the road because he's still a baby.
Part of our daily routine with the bunnies is taking them outside and allowing them to just graze and enjoy the sunlight. After that, it pretty much is back to work again, cleaning cages, making sure they have their water, their feed, and it can be a little messy, but you know, that's just the way it is when you have animals. We do have another animal, our dog, Winnie. She's so precious. She's always curious at what we're doing, looking at us through the glass. She's just such a sweetheart, and I always have to sort of open the door and remind her that she is just as precious and important too. And that, guys, sums up our morning. Every day is different, but I am excited that we are starting our little homestead, as small as it is. I enjoy all the different chores and upkeep with it. It is work, it is a learning curve, but I am up for it, and so is our family. I can't wait to continue to show you guys what we want to do and how we want to grow. So if you like this video, you can give it a like. And if you want to subscribe, you can. But I really just want to share our lives with you guys and just, I don't know, be a part of any type of peace and joy and learning we can bring to you guys. Take care.